To have somebody invest in my future really means the world to me. I have had kind of a rough go at life at the beginning. I'm a convicted felon and a recovering drug addict. And to have somebody actually look at my story and see that as an asset means everything to me. If given the opportunity, I would really love to pay it forward in my future endeavors by helping other people succeed.
I'd like to help refugees who are coming to this country with very little in the way of experience and hope and ideas for their future, and help them find occupations that fill their lives and reach their future. So that's one way I would like to pay it forward.
I actually had a really tough year. I lost my father and my grandmother in the start, and so a lot of unknown expenses came up, and for a short time there I wasn't sure I was going to make it through my last year of school. So this scholarship really helped me out with that, and I'm really grateful for the financial assistance I got.
I know how lonely it can feel coming into college and how confusing it can be for many students. For example, being a Latino student, my parents had no idea. They came from Mexico, so they have no idea how any of this works. So definitely having that support system in place for students of color, students, first-generation students, or undocumented students could definitely help them succeed and be more successful in college rather than them having to try to figure it out themselves.
This scholarship lets me reach my goals of becoming an elementary school teacher. I really want to be a second grade teacher, and I want to make an impact in kids' lives. I want to make sure that they have all the support that they need and that they can become the best person that they can become.
Thank you from the bottom of my heart and on behalf of the College of Health and Human Sciences for your support of our scholarship recipients. Your support makes the difference for them in being able to do the work that they came to CSU to do. And to our scholarship recipients, congratulations and well done. Without ever having met you, our scholarship donors open up their hearts and their checkbooks to support you and your dreams. I know you'll make them proud. Thank you to our donors, and congratulations to our scholarship recipients.